Hello. So this is a story of how I graduated college and just started trading crypto 16 hours a day, 7 days a week for like 6 months. This was back in the boom of 2017 to early 2018. I was able to turn $30,000 to 3.3 million. For the skeptics, I did make sure to include a full video of my trading history on Binance. So, because I believe we're in a full-blown altcoin boom again, I'm going to share with you my steps to success and how you could profit from this market. So, let's jump into it. So, the number one thing I did was participating in airdrops. For those of you who don't know what airdrops are, they are marketing stunts where a new cryptocurrency would send free tokens to wallets on exchanges for events in order to promote their new cryptocurrency. They would ask for things in exchange like retweets or signups. The airdrop that made the most money for me was Ethereum Gold. This was way back in maybe August or September of 2017. What I did was make hundreds of accounts to get the free airdrop. The moment the token released on Ether Delta at the time, the price spiked up, and I immediately sold all my free airdrop tokens. And after selling all of them, I actually got out with $10,000 USD. So basically, I made $10,000 for doing absolutely nothing. So my second best tool for crypto is Twitter. What I did was follow every single major coin. I also followed every exchange, and I followed the CEOs of those coins. What I noticed back in 2017 was that every time a new token was listed on a major exchange like Binance or Bittrex or even Bithumb at the time, it would run up like 20, 30, sometimes even 80%. I remember during the gold rush back then, when Bithumb, a new Korean exchange, came out, major coins like Litecoin or Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash, once they were listed on the Korean exchange, these coins shot up like 20 to 50%. For example, Monero back in August of 2017, once there was news it was listed on Bithumb, it shot up 300%. Alright, so the third best thing you could be doing is following online communities. By following online communities like Reddit or Facebook, you can customize your feed so that you would be the first to know about the latest cryptocurrency news. On top of that, you can also see what people are talking about, what type of coins are being hyped up right now. And occasionally some people would share their own analysis and due diligence for you. All you have to do is go to Facebook and then go to Facebook groups and then search cryptocurrency. There are at least 50 groups, maybe even 100. Some groups I recommend are altcoin investing, cryptocurrency investing, crypto coin warriors, and many others. As for Reddit, it's also a very good resource because I just find on average the user base on Reddit knows more. Follow the best groups on Reddit, just search cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or altcoins. My secret sauce community that not a lot of people talk about, and some people might laugh at me for it, is actually 4chan biz. For a lot of people, they know 4chan as a place for memes or weird people, you know, like incels or chads. But I found in 2017 and even today, there were some users who have predicted correctly 10x coins. So if you're able to look past the obvious shilling, you might be able to find some useful information. Also keep in mind the fourth best resource for you is definitely YouTube. So follow certain YouTubers like me and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any important updates. Now my fourth key to success was using a volume pinger. Like I mentioned before, it's important to monitor coins and get alert for coins that have unusual volume or price hikes. Now that there are more and more cryptocurrency coins every day, it's getting harder and harder to monitor the hundreds or maybe even thousands of coins there are. By using a volume pinger, you would be able to get in on pumps early. Even if you miss the initial spike, there usually tends to be a rebound. The one tool I like to use to monitor coins is on Binance, and it was created by a guy named CryptoZiz. I will provide a link in the description to his volume pinger. What I noticed is it is kind of a lagging indicator, but I always can make a rebound play. Now my fifth key to success was to pay attention to time zones. It's really important to understand when Asia sleeps and wakes up, when North America sleeps or wakes up. The biggest moves and surges in volume I noticed was happening when a certain part of the world wakes up or sleeps. And on average, there's less trading activity in between those times. I mean, intuitively, it makes sense. If I wake up and I find that Bitcoin is dropping a whole lot, I would probably maybe panic sell or something. If I find that it's surging, I'm probably gonna buy more, right? My sixth key to success is to pay attention to candles. It's important to be mindful of technical indicators like support and resistance zones. Usually prices would bounce off or, have trouble breaking through certain level. Most importantly, pay attention to the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the daily candle. As the candle approaches closing time, if there isn't much price volatility going on, there tends to be a lot of volume and volatility a little before the candle closes and shortly after. This is due to the indecision of where the market trend will go. Overall, if you want to make money on crypto, I think it's important to follow the hype. New technology like the DeFi ecosystem with the coins like SushiSwap or PancakeSwap or Uniswap, those are the coins that people are buying. So it's important to note that you should not get too hung up on any one coin because there's always going to be a new hype. I think the success of the crypto market in general depends on the legislation, factors like how far the SEC will want to control crypto, or whether or not countries will start banning crypto like India, for example. Those are factors you really need to keep in mind. So if you enjoyed my video and like these tips, please like, subscribe, or comment.